Back at you again on another minute with Bromark Farms, here with the donkey and the horse and the goat, and we're doing spring cleaning. I was practicing to fly my new drone and trying to learn how to do it. I've done more walking than flying, and Kizzy dog's down here watching me. But we're doing some spring cleaning, trying to clean up the brambles and woods as we go. We've got them pretty much cleaned out. Miss Cindy, she sure works hard, but we're cleaning her up. Got the wheat field growing out there. Everything looks good. Weather's breaking. I think we got another day of about 27 degrees tonight, and that's tonight. But after that, it's 54 and 63 and 45 at night. Chickens are out, and we're just down here burning some wood, cleaning the woods up that we cut. Okay. Alrighty, thank you again for stopping at Bromark Farms, and see you in the next video. Once again, I want to thank you for all the subscribers that I have. If you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and take a chance. I'm learning how to edit, and I've gotten fairly good at the last year at this. So thank you for your support. Appreciate you. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs down if you want to. That sure would appreciate it. Any kind of comment or discussion. Okay? Thank you once again for stopping in at Bromark Farms on this 19th day of March. God bless you, and read your Bible every day. Learn to walk in that spirit. It's a discipline.